Hello everyone, I'm Shauna. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please like and subscribe for more Bath and Body Works content and reviews. And if you're a returning subscriber, I love you guys. Thank you so much for the support. I really appreciate you. So in this video, I would like to give my review of Bath and Body Works' new summer release, Firecracker Pop. I have the body cream and the fine fragrance mist. And let me just show you, actually, the body cream retails for $14.50 and the fine fragrance mist retails for $15.50. So here is the body cream. It's gradient shading. Looks like it has little gold firecrackers on it. And I love the pink top with that. You know what I mean? Like the red, white, and blue, the pink just goes so well with it, in my opinion. And here is the fine fragrance mist. Looks like it has like a little ribbon around it with the white label on the back. Clear. I like that. Just very clean and to the point. And then if you notice on the top, it's like glittered. This collection has glittered tops, which is just an added detail that I like. It looks so lovely decorating your dresser, right? You want your packaging for your fragrances to be lovely, right? Is it just me? So, let me read you the scent notes. Red cherry, fresh citrus, and juicy berry. Ready, set, summer. Indulge in the sweetest season with a juicy and sunny tribute to cool treats. So, I have been wearing this one for hours, and I'm on like about 8 hours. And to be honest with you guys, I can still smell it. Like, totally can still smell it. So with this scent, when I first sprayed it, I got like a juicy juice Hawaiian punch type scent, berry like scent with like a splash of citrus, right? Which is nice, lovely for summer, right? And then when I slathered on the body cream and misted myself, a lot more of the citrus came out, but it's more than just the citrus. It's almost like I detect like a citrus peel. Like, I don't know if the citrus is lemon or lime. I'm not sure, but it's like you smell the peel of the citrus, which is a little odd. You know, I thought that it would be mostly like cherry and berries and juice, but you definitely, on my body anyway, I get a lot of the citrus of the fruit peel, like the actual skin of the lime or the lemon or whatever it is. And it's not bad. I mean, and this scent, you can really, really smell it. You can definitely smell it. It's very bright, very noticeable, and it lasts a long time. So I'm like, okay, you know, so far so good. So yeah, and see, when I spray it, and I wonder if it's more the body cream, because when I spray the mist, I get Juicy Juice and Hawaiian Punch, the original Hawaiian Punch, red one. But, and this too, but for some reason, when I put it on myself, I still get the Juicy Juice Hawaiian Punch vibe, but then I get the peel of the fruit, like the actual peel. That's strange, right? You guys, let me know what you think, if you get that. But it's very strong. It's very strong and very bright, and you can notice it, and it lasts forever. Now, when I first applied it, I got more of the Juicy Juice vibe with the peel of the citrus. But then as it wore, all I could detect on myself, you know, like in the 8th hour, was just the peel of the lime or lemon or whatever it is, which is fine. I like this. So that is my review for Firecracker Pop. Firecracker Pop. So let me know what you think if you've tried it. Do you detect the citrus peel, or is that just what it does on my body chemistry? Because on cold, I don't smell that. I just smell citrus and juice and berries. You know what I mean? So I'm interested to know what you guys think. Thank you for spending the past few minutes with me. If you found this review helpful, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, friends.